if you're someone that's been doing push-ups and you're not noticing any results in your chest development or your strength gains, then you're going to want to stick around with this video because I'm going to show you how to actually do push-ups correctly and engage your chest so you can actually train your chest, which is what the push-ups is made for. All right, so let's get into it. How to do the strict push-up. All right, I've seen many variations of push-up. What I see a lot of is just fast, quick push-ups. All right, that's not going to develop your chest. It's a great, heart elevator cardio exercise, but it's not going to train your chest. All right, so what I do is a strict controlled push-up that shows you how to, with a couple of these tips, engage your chest as you come down and up in the actual push-up. All right, as you engage full range of motion, because it's important to do full range of motion so you can engage your chest. And during the triceps, because the tricep is a push exercise, and if you train it right, you're going to actually get some tricep gains as well. All right, chest and triceps in your push-up. So how do you do it? So the push-up starts with a setup. So you're going to be on top in a push-up position, plank position. All right, and this is how you set it up. This is how I set it up in every one of my push-up. Before I do a set of push-ups, all right, I don't just jump into it and do push-ups. Setup is important, as with anything, as with any kettlebell exercise or bodyweight exercise, setup is key. So this is how you do it. So you're going to get into the plank position here. Okay, hands are going to be lined up, wrist, elbow, shoulder. All right, lined up all the way up, down the chain here. Straight arm, right under the shoulders. All right, and so what you're going to do from here, I'll show you from the side. You're going to bring your foot back here on the ball of your foot. You're going to bring this foot back here, all right? And you want to get up. You want to engage your core. See how I'm in a strong plank position? I'm not sagged. I'm not dipped here. I'm strong and controlled, all right? That's the first step. Second step is rolling your bicep or the inner part of your bicep so you pack your shoulder. As you can see here, roll, pack, because when I'm coming into the push-up, I want I'm coming here. What I don't want is you to come out to here. All right, that's how you do it. That's how you're not should not do a push-up, and that's how you're going to train your push-up and not really get any chest development results. You'll actually get some shoulder injuries pushing up here. A lot of people do this. All right, the push-up is not a shoulder intensive exercise. It should be more focused, packed shoulder, engaging more of your triceps and your chest. All right, and that's how you do it. You're going to bring your hand here, roll. You're going to roll your bicep. So pack your elbow in, the elbow rolls in, pack to the side. So when I come down, my arm's dragging by my side. All right, so I'm rolling. All right, and as I come down, drags, and I push up. All right, so that's how you set up for the push-up. All right, once you're in that setup position, what happens next? All right, your breathing is important, but also the tempo of which you're doing the push-up. And my key tip here is how you engage more of the chest when you're doing the push-up. All right, so first we'll start with the first step. So you're going to start at the top of the push-up. All right, again, setting it up, packed in. I'm already all set up here. Tight, roll that bicep. And as I come down, I'm inhaling, pause, power breathe it up. All right, inhale, control it down, power breathe it up. All right, that is the push-up. You want to do full range of motion while you're doing the push-up. All right, all the way down, all the way up. All right, that's the first step. And the breathing, inhale, and the reason you're power breathing is so you can engage more of your abs and you can really make that push-up a strong, powerful push-up. All right, speed is something you can cover later. I want you to get these down first. And there's power push-ups, but that's another thing. I want you to work on just control, set up, down, and power it up. Control, power it up. All right, now here's my key tip for engaging more of the chest. All right, it's simple, but it's powerful. So what you're going to do is you're going to drive your hands inward, not literally moving them together, but you're going to try to on the mat or wherever you're doing your push-up. What that's going to do is that's going to engage your chest. It's going to bring it together more, all right? Because the chest is a many different exercises, many different movements, but bringing your elbows together or adducting them, the shoulder engages your chest, right? That's why if you're doing chest flies or chest presses, that works because you're bringing your chest together. You're bringing your hands together. Same concept. You're driving your hands together, all right? So on top here, so you're going to line it up, okay? And you're going to drive, like pretend you're set up here. Pretend you're driving your hands toward each other. Okay, try that. Get into that plank position and just a little pulse. If you do little pulses, show you here, you can notice that chest, all right? Just want to make sure you can see me completely. So as you pulse, you can feel that chest engage. While you keep that chest engaged, that's when you're going to slowly control it down and slowly power it up with everything I just told you, all right? So let's backtrack, set it up. So first setup, line it up, all right? Roll that bicep, okay? Tight, engaged, okay? I'm going to show you from the side so you can see my full body here. So line it up, roll that bicep, strong plank position, inhale, and this is where I want you to drive those hands together, especially on the way up. As you press up, I want you to drive those hands inward. That's going to engage more of your chest. And you'll know what I mean when you try it. All right, so let's set up here. Roll, set, down, inhale. Power it up. Drive those hands together. Down. Power it up. Down again, driving every time. 3. Let's do 2 more. Good. I hope you can feel that chest activating. Down, up. Good. Did you feel the difference? All right, if you did that with me, you should have felt, you did it right, your chest engaging just a little bit more as you drove your hands or try to drive your hands together. That's that little key tip that's going to develop more of your chest when you're doing your push-up. Along with the other things, set up, slow tempo, control, power breathing. But this is the key tip that's going to actually help you develop more chest while you're doing your push-up. Stronger chest, more developed chest. And the last tip is going to be, of course, engage your tricep. That's going to come with full range of motion. So you're going to come all the way down. You're going to come all the way down. Like I said, all the way down, and you want to fully extend your elbow, fully straighten your arm. That's going to really fire. So that's the last key tip that's going to engage your triceps and your chest is the full range, all the way down, all the way up. All right, while maintaining the high plank position. If you can't do that yet, then you work on that. Go lower and lower and lower every single time. But I want you to come all the way up, okay? So set up just like this, comes down, and then lock out that arm. Sorry, lock my arm out. Fire those triceps. Down, down. Good. And that's it, guys. That's how you do a proper kettlebell. Not kettlebell. You can do a push-up in a kettlebell. That's how you do a proper push-up, all right? That's how you do the push-up. That's going to engage your chest. It's going to engage your triceps. It's going to make them stronger chest, stronger triceps, and it's going to make your shoulders stronger as well without injury, and you're going to have no elbow pain, all right? So that's how you properly do the strict push-up. All right, give this a go, guys. Apply this. Rewatch this. Practice these tips. My 3 tips. Again, it's set up. Real quick, I'll go over that setup. Line up. All right, roll that elbow forward. Boom, just like that. Get into that plank position. Abs engaged, lower down. Power it up all the way to the top. All right, practice this. You're going to get better at it. As you get better, as you practice, as you do this consistently, you're going to have a stronger chest. You're going to have stronger core and abs, stronger triceps and shoulders, and you're going to stay injury-free. All right, guys? So thanks for showing up for this video, watching this. If you want a workout you could do that involves chest and kettlebells, you can pick up my free 5-minute full body kettlebell finisher below, or pick up my my bodyweight only, my short 5-minute bodyweight only workout that you can do with no bell, just bodyweight, that involves the chest and focuses more on the push-up and things like that. All right, so pick that up in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have an awesome day. Train strong. Get after it. Go for your goals. Keep showing up for yourself, You're gonna get there. Have an awesome day. See you in the next video. Keep going.